Okay, we got a snake here somewhere.
See that crack? Ow, you kicked me. Oh, I see him. I see part of him. Where did the other one go? Did you see? The guy said he went under the water. In there?
Yeah. In this hole here?
Yeah.
I can't see your snake. Water monsters, sea monsters. I can't find your snake. I can't see him.
He is. Is he coming out? No. Not yet. Okay. See where it gets green?
Yeah.
This far up, directly above my hand. Right where you can't see his head, but you can see a little coil sticking out. His tail is directly above, his head is directly here, and there's a coil directly above there. Right on the shelf, right where the grass is, or the plant is coming out. Carefully, it doesn't come out and get you. I'm trying.
Well, I'll just zoom in and look at it later with the camera. Oh, is that it?
We could prod it with a stick. Well, as long as you can swim slower than me, I'm fine. I can swim faster than you can. Are the dogs down there saying hello, or?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Jump!
Blast off! Little volcano.